We will guide you through how to cut video in HandBrake. Quick disclaimer: skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows Start menu on your computer and search for HandBrake using the search bar. Launch HandBrake from the search results and wait for the application to finish loading. Once the program is ready, click Open Source to import the video you want to cut. Locate the video file on your computer and select it, then wait for HandBrake to scan and analyze the video. After the video has loaded, find the range section in the HandBrake interface. This section allows you to specify which portion of the video you want HandBrake to process. Change the range type to seconds if you want to specify an exact portion of the video using time values. Enter the starting point for the section you want to keep, making sure the time corresponds to the moment where you want the shortened video to begin. Next, set the ending point for the selected portion by entering the appropriate time value. Carefully check both values so the selected section starts and ends at the correct moments. Check the preview to make sure the correct portion of the video has been selected and that the section you want to keep is included. If the selected range is incorrect, return to the range settings and adjust the starting or ending time until the desired portion is selected. Once the correct section has been chosen, open the Video tab and review the available encoding settings. Select an appropriate output format and quality level based on how you plan to use the shortened video. Next, choose a destination folder where HandBrake will save the shortened video. Enter a clear and suitable name for the output file so you can easily recognize the edited version. When you are satisfied with the configuration, click Start Encode to process the selected section.